amused out there. And that was a corker of a bouncer. Paul Adams, just out of his reach.
So, Mike, whether we agree or disagree on the events of the match, what is taking place here between Donald and Atherton is one of the most enthralling passages of cricket you'd ever wish to see. Atherton almost seems to have, well, kind of masochistic instinct for situations like this, and Donald is so pumped up it hardly bears thinking about. And what's that hit? It's given not out as well. This is very raw out in the middle and mighty intense. Dropped it. Mark Boucher has missed the big chance.